Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Kiwi to build a gang sheet on our website and then upload it for purchase. There's been a little bit confusion about this, so let's go ahead. I'm going to show you step by step so there's no more confusion. Go ahead, let's go to blashcustomtransfers.com. You can order right here, but actually you can order right here and build your gang sheet, but we're going to scroll down to our thumbnail for custom DTF sheets. Go ahead and click that. We're going to hit build your own gang sheet. It's going to take you to the Kiwi Suite. So if you see right here, it tells you at the top the instructions. When you're done building your gang sheet, click export at the top toolbar to download your PNG, then upload it to place your order. So this is that export button, so keep in mind. So let's go ahead and upload our images. You can hit upload or you can drag and drop. I'm gonna go ahead and just click a few. These are some of the images from our digital download packs on our website. So let's go ahead and see what we got. So import, and this is a 22 by 24 gang sheet. You can choose what gang sheet you like. For today, we're just gonna do a 22 by 24. So in the Kiwi Suite, you can do so many different things. This video is not about going through all the features of the Kiwi Suite. This is just how to use it to build a gang sheet and export it, upload. We'll do another video for all that. So just our simple things. You can resize your image. You can grab the corner here, or you can customize your dimensions. Let's do that at, what are we at now? We can do 6. But to get those exact dimensions, you would need to crop. So we do have an AI smart auto crop, so don't forget to do that so you can have your exact dimensions. So let's go ahead and do exact dimensions on that. We can do let's do this one at 3. You can also do like right click, you can auto fill the page, which would fill it. And then over here, you can use Kiwi's tools. So we have, Halftone, Kiwi Effects, where you can use embroidery effects, yarn effects. So all of these are free tools that you can use in the Kiwi Suite on Flash Custom Transfers website. You can use the Halftone, which kind of takes out some of those transparent pixels. So add to gang sheet. So it actually makes our gang sheet smaller. So you would use that to put on a black shirt. So there's so many different things we're gonna do. Okay, we're not gonna get into that. So this is just our gang sheet. Now that we're done setting up our gang sheet, let's hit export, just like it tells us up here, export your image. So this is our gang sheet. We wanna export it. It's gonna go to our downloads right here. So now that we exported it, let's say go back to Flash. Boom. We're gonna go back to Flash, just how we went back, shop now. Now we have a gang sheet to upload. So we're gonna hit choose file, and we are gonna upload that file that we just created right here on build your gang sheet, build your own gang sheet. So you just give it a second to upload. And then boom, it is right there. You add to cart, go to checkout, and it is right there. So that is how you do it. Also, we do have our digital downloads. Those are some of our spooky downloads that I used. So those are always available for purchase right here, digital downloads. But that's how you would do it. You would go to the Kiwi, and this is if you do not have a gang sheet ready for printing. Build your own gang sheet. Quick overview, build your own gang sheet, upload your images, export it, then go to Flash, and then go to upload that gang sheet. Easy breezy, no more confusion. So if you guys have any questions for any reason, you can always email me at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com, or you can call me. But other than that, I will see you guys later. Bye.